best transcription software. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be comparing some of the top standout transcription softwares because it's essential for professionals, content creators, and teams that are looking to streamline their workflows and save time. So in today's list, we're going to be comparing Rev, Descript, Otter AI, and Sonix. These four tools are leading the market with their unique features and capabilities. So today we're just going to dig deeper. I'm going to talk about everything, including their basic features, pricing, and which one you should be using depending on what is your primary purpose. So starting off with Rev. Rev has built a reputation as one of the most reliable transcription services. It offers both human and AI-powered options, and it is widely used across industries for its high accuracy and ability to handle complex audio files. Rev provides you with the option to have human transcription, where Rev is going to employ professional transcribers to deliver near-perfect accuracy for $1.50 per minute. Then for faster turnaround times, Rev's AI transcription service is going to cost you only $0.25 per minute, which is a very, very cheap price. You also have speaker identification, where it automatically labels speakers for interviews, podcasts, or meetings. It's compatible with platforms like Zoom and Dropbox for seamless workflows. Now, this has multiple different use cases, including media production, legal industry, and academic research. So if you're a researcher that needs to transcribe their focus groups, if you're trying to use this for depositions or court proceedings, or if you're a filmmaker or video editor that needs accurate subtitles, using Rev can be a great option. Now to get started, you can just go onto Rev and then click on Get Started over here. Once you do that, you can proceed with their sign up, choose the plan that you prefer. You can go with their simple transcription, which allows you to try it out for free, and you can get 45 minutes of AI transcription. You can choose to go with human transcription, and you can transcribe by the minute. But if you want, you can subscribe to a plan, and those plans give you access to certain minutes or certain hours. Then you can go with captions and subtitles by the minute as well. Now moving on to our second platform today, we have Descript. Descript stands out because it's more than just a transcription tool. It's an all-in-one platform combining audio and video editing with transcription capabilities. Its innovative features make it a favorite among podcasters, marketers, and YouTubers. Its key features include interactive editing, where you can edit audio by modifying the transcript text directly. You also have AI voice cloning, which allows you to generate synthetic speech in their own voice, so you can do overdubbing. You have a multi-track editor, which is perfect for managing complex podcasts or video projects. And if you have screen recordings that you want to add or B-roll that you want to record and add, you have a built-in screen recording tool for creating tutorials or presentations. This is especially great for training videos, podcasts, and marketing campaigns, whether you're trying to edit workflows by allowing text-based audio edits, or if you're trying to build a polished video ad. And if you're trying to build a transcription for educational content and screen recording, this is going to be great for you. Now, Descript is a really great tool, but what about its pricing? Well, if you go into their pricing section over here, you will see that as a hobbyist, you can get started for only $12, and their creator and business plans start at $24 and $40. They have a free plan to get started where you can use some of their AI tools, but their hobbyist plan allows you 10 transcription hours per month, and you have 1080p exports, which are going to be watermark free, and you have 30 minutes per month of AI speech with stock AI speakers or custom voice clones. So you get some of all of the features. But if you want to use this in your video production or content production, and if you're producing a lot of content, I definitely recommend the creator plan. It gives you 2 hours per month of AI speech with 30 minutes per month of dubbing in over 20 languages, 4K exports, and 30 transcription hours per month. which is going to be a great tool for all types of marketers or educators. Moving on to our next platform, we have Otter AI. Otter AI is designed for real-time transcription and collaboration, making it a top choice for teams and businesses. It focuses on productivity tools, and that is what sets it apart from its competitors. It provides you with real-time transcription, where it generates live transcriptions during meetings, such as meetings on Zoom or Google Meet. And if you're someone like me that's often zoning out in meetings, and if you don't want to take a super long lecture, you can use Otter AI, and Otter AI can answer questions for you. You have speaker identification as well as voice print tagging, where it recognizes individual voices across multiple sessions. So let's say you have a meeting once with one person that is getting tagged as Manager 1. And if that Manager 1 is in the next meeting, Otter AI is automatically able to detect that. And it seamlessly works with calendar apps to schedule meeting notes as well. This is ideal for capturing meeting notes. It's useful for students that are attending lectures and can be a great tool for event planning during webinars or conferences. And the pricing, again, is pretty decent. You can get started for Otter AI for free if you want. You can just use their basic plan, but their yearly subscription starts at $8 and monthly at $16. However, you do save a lot of money when you choose to go with the premium subscription, and they don't have any complicated tiering system where your features are limited. Just depending on the number of hours you use, you would want to upgrade, and then you would have to purchase more credits afterwards. Now, moving on to our final tool on today's list, we have Sonix. Sonix is known for its advanced automation and multilingual support, catering to a global audience who require high-quality transcription in various languages. It offers multilingual support, custom dictionaries, detailed timestamping, as well as collaboration tools, where members can edit transcripts together. You have word-by-word timestamps for precise navigation, and you can add industry-specific terms to improve your accuracy for your transcriptions. It's a global tool, so it's perfect for multilingual teams and multinational teams, and this is used often in journalism. So, what features are going to be the most accurate in which platform? In terms of accuracy, Sonix and Rev take the cake. However, if you're looking for multilingual support, Sonix and Descript have some of the best multilingual support. If you're looking for advanced tool, again, Descript and Sonix have some of the best editing tools. However, if you're looking for real-time transcription, Descript has no such service, nor does Sonix. So Otter AI and Rev are going to be the better options for people that are looking for real-time transcription. Now, what is the best use case? Well, for professionals, I recommend Rev, and for content creators, I recommend Descript. However, for people that are looking for real-time transcription of meetings, Otter AI is the best. And for multilingual support, Sonix is going to take the cake. So it really depends on what is the crucial factor of your transcription needs. Ultimately, this depends on your specific needs and whether it's going to be precision, speed, collaboration, or language. I hope you guys found this review helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or queries, you guys can leave those in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.